It is way too early for this. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and it's very early for this. We've been trying to get Peter's Pancake House for many, many times. And here it is. Let's check it out. And if you turn the menu over, you'll see a map, which is Maggie Valley, where we came in, Cherokee, where we are now, and our next stop is Gatlinburg, which is not on the map. So you have to get up, rise and shine early in the morning so you can get a seat. Oh, here comes some food. Look at those nice fluffy pancakes.
Here's a few more napkins in case
Thank
you need
you
them.
so much.
Perfect. Nice quick service here. Look at that. Fluffy. It's like air fluff, isn't it, Beatbox?
Yeah.
And he got a side of sweet ham.
Mm-hmm. Look at
He
that.
was torn in between whenever she was asking if he wanted the salty ham or the sweet ham, and I think he kind of wanted sweetie salty, didn't you,
I
Brian?
did. It's half sweet, half salt, huh? And what'd you get?
I got a Western omelet with their good old grits and butter toast. I see it. All right, here. Hey, they say we don't film long enough. Oh, wow. Can you get that? Look at that.
Oh, yeah. Look how thick that is.
Yeah. It's got onions, peppers, ham, tomatoes. Very good looking. And cheese.
Tell them what you're going to put on it.
And, of course, you know I got to have my Texas beef.
Hot sauce.
Yes. Look at that.
Cheesy?
Yeah, look at that.
Good
Yum.
night.
That's delicious.
It's a lot of cheese, isn't it?
Boy, I won't be able to do anything after this breakfast. Delicious. And look, that's something you don't see in Myrtle Beach right whenever you step out of a restaurant. Well, that was absolutely delicious. Very good. And very nice folks. And I'd say it was pretty quick too, wasn't it, B-Boss?
Very quick.
Go
and
walk down there.
I want you to look at all the outside seating because Piers gets very busy certain times of the year.
There you have it. That was a look at Peter's Pancakes and Waffles. And I think we just met Peter. No, the owner did come up to us and ask us what we were doing. So definitely check it out. He loves to be filmed and he loves serving people. We made it just in time before the school bus. Well, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell notification so you too can keep hiking. See you in the next video.